Welcome back to our new video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can recover our Bitcoin wallet. Yes, if you have your backup file or your DAT file, you can easily recover your Bitcoin core wallet. So if you want to get this information, so please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's suppose sometime your laptop crashed and your Bitcoin Core wallet is not opening and you need to make the transaction from your wallet. So you can again install your Bitcoin Core wallet, and after that you recover your wallet. Yes, if you have saved your backup file, then you can do this. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to open my Bitcoin Core wallet. I can see here my Bitcoin Core wallet is going to open in front of me. Applying block, press Q to shut down. This time 82% complete for the opening my Bitcoin Core wallets. I'm waiting for this. When complete, so then our Bitcoin Core wallet will be open in front of you. I already told you in my last videos, if you want to save your Bitcoin from scammer or scam exchanges, so you must install Bitcoin Core wallet at your system, and after that you download all blockchain data from 2009 to till today, so your Bitcoin will be safe. If you are not click any malware link or malware virus, okay, because your Bitcoin wallet is fully secured with your password. But keep in your mind, you must save this your laptop in safe place. You just use Bitcoin Core wallet on this laptop, not choose any other like browsing or install any software. You just simple install Bitcoin Core wallet this laptop, and you just use only this Bitcoin Core wallet in this window. Okay, I hope you properly understand. So now 96 and 97% is complete for opening. First time when you going to open your Bitcoin Core wallet, so complete interact with the blockchain, and 99% is done. Just waiting for this. After that, we will recover our account or restore our account. Okay, you can see here my Bitcoin Core wallet is open in front of me, and you can see here I have not completed download blockchain data. It's take almost 6 days, and you can see here if I am going to any deposit on this account, so not shown in this wallet, because you can see here recent transaction may not yet be visible, and therefore your wallet balance might be incorrect. Okay, and you can see here 6 weeks synced, and you can see here also 3 years 21 years behind, and my wallet is locked. So going to click on hide button, and let's suppose you want to recover your account or restore your account. So what will you do? First of all, you must have your backup file. I have my backup file. I have saved in my laptop. So going to recover my wallet. Simple is that. You just simple click on file option. You can see here. And then you can see here, we have discussed already backup wallet. If you have not watched that video, so please go to my YouTube channel and watch this video. And today we are going to restore our wallet. So I just simple click on it, and then you can see here I have take 2 backup of my Bitcoin wallet. First backup, Bitcoin backup file. This file is not logged because in my last video we have discussed how we can logged or encrypt our Bitcoin wallet. This is my second backup file. So if you going to check the date 4/15/2026, and this first file is 4/15/2006, but timing is different. So means my latest backup file is available here. Means Bitcoin dat file logged. Going to open, click and going to open. Okay. Now you can see set the wallet name. I'm going to set the wallet name here. Just a minute. It's maybe keyboard. Yes. Yes. Now going to set the wallet name Bitcoin wallet. It's depend on you. You can choose any name on this portion and click on OK button. Now you can see here restoring wallet restored successfully. Well, I hope you properly understand. You can see here my wallet is restored. If you have balance in your wallet, so your balance will be shown here. And also, if you have make any transaction on this wallet, you can see here your all transaction will be shown here. Okay. So yes, I hope you properly understand how can you back up your Bitcoin Core wallet and how to restore or how to recover your wallet, because you must have your backup file and you must make the multiple copy of your backup file, otherwise your fund will be lost. Okay. I hope you properly understand. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Also, face any problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key, or recover your wallet or backup your wallet. So you just simple is that comments below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. And also go to my YouTube channel and click on Play Store option, playlist option. And then you can see here, I have make multiple wallets review on this, my YouTube channel. Almost 40 plus wallets review I have done in my YouTube channel. Many wallets available here. And I'm going to also review all wallets 2006 years, means new features add on all wallets. So in this day we are discuss about Bitcoin Core wallet, and next our wallet is Dogecoin Core wallet. Okay. So as I hope you properly understand. So if you get any information from this video, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share with your family and friends. Meet with you in new video. Bye bye.